Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a tiny elephant showpiece. So let's begin. First, using hot glue gun with aluminium foil to make heads, as you can see it in the video. Now I will use wire for the trunk. So I am bending it. Now it's done. I am covering the trunk with aluminium foil. Applying glue over the head. Now applying fevicryl mouldit to cover the head. Using talc for finishing. You can use any type. Now covering the trunk with the clay. Clay link is in the description box. If you want, you can check it. So now applying glue for the rest of the part. Now finishing it, doing legs by using talc. I am finishing it with talc, as you can see it. Now using tools for making eyes. Tools link is in the description box. Or you can use any type of tools which is appropriate for this craft. Now making eyes and eyelids also. So be careful. Now making tiny tail with the help of the glue. Now joining ears with the same process. And the teeth also. Now it's ready for coloring, as you can see it. So leave it for dry. Applying white acrylic colors as primers. Then I will use pink for the coloring. Using black for finishing. Now doing eyes, nose, and ears. Now using black for eyelids. using black for the nails as I have drawn it before. With the help of marker pen, you can also use it. Now it's ready. Hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.